Come, we are in 6th. My name is B.M. Subbarao, math teacher. Yes, we observe different type of large numbers, their place names, and expanded forms also. And also we finished the exercise 1.3. Different countries, our country, the number system in other countries. All our country, the world, use the one of the system. Generally, for using of all, it is called international system. Small differences between our Indian system numbers and international system numbers. The small difference is there. Now I am going to explain the differences between both two systems. We use the place names in our Indian system from right side 1, 10, 1,000, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, next 10 crore, next 100 crore, next 1,000 crore, next 10,000, like that. We use the crore is the highest one. After crore, 10 crore, 100 crore, 1,000 crores, like that we read. System, a small vary is there. In the system, they used first 5-digit names as our Indian system: 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. After 10,000, they used 100,000. That is the difference. We use in our Indian system 1 lakh. But in the international system, they used 100,000. So, you observe this comparison table of both two systems. Is international. Yes, here 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, like that. Next to 100 crore, 1,000 crore. But in the international system, 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Do you observe the difference between them? Next, million, 10, 100 million. They use the million in lakh, 10 lakh place. We can easily observe 1 lakh in our Indian system is 100,000 in international system. 10 lakhs equal to 1 million. 1 crore equal to 10 million. 10 crores equal to 100 million. That is the difference. In that system, they use the commas before every 3 digits. example, we can read this number in both systems. In our Indian system, first comma before 3 digits, next comma to every 2 digits. Right again. They use the comma for every three digits like this. How to read this number in our Indian system? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. 94 crore, 37 lakh, 51,761. The same number in the international system, see here, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. 943 million, 751,761. If we use the commas between the numbers, we can easily read in both Indian and international system, any number. Okay. Now, show you the next exercise 1.4. First you observe the exercise 1.4. It is very easy to use. Commas according to the international system of numeration. First is the international system. Next, second, cut numbers of your friends and other family members. Write them using commas and read them in international system. Third, write the numbers in words in both Indian and international system. Next, fourth one, read the numbers carefully and answer the following. One number given there. It is the system, international system. And then write the answers for the given questions. So it is the very easiest exercise you complete. Here also one of the conversion, both two systems. 10 lakhs equal 1 million, 1 crore equal 10 million, 10 crore 100 million, 100 crores equal to 1 billion. They use the billion also, 100 crores. We use 100 crores after 10 crores, but they use after 100 million, they use billion. Billion. Do you understand? Okay. Daily life system, life in our daily life, so many numbers, and also very big numbers. Meter to measure the length, for length, gram or kilogram, for volume, liters, for time, we use a second. You learned already 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter equal to 10 centimeter equal to 1 decimeter, 10 decimeters equal to 1 meter, 10 equal to 1 decameter, and decameter is hectometer, 10 decameters equal to 1 hectometer, 10 hectometers equal to 1 kilometer. We can change one measurement into another one. For example, 1 meter equal to 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter. 1 equal to 10 centimeter. So we change this one 10 into 10 centimeter. 10 into 10 into 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. The multiplication of 10 into 10, 10,000, 1,000 millimeters. 1,000 millimeters is one of the big number. Like that, we can change 1 kilometer also in millimeters. You observe this change, how to change it. Thousand meter, 100 centimeters, so 1000 into 100 centimeters, 10 millimeters. So 1000 into 100 into 10. Finally, we got how much? 10 lakh millimeters. 1 kilometer equal to how much? 10 lakh millimeters. So these are the very large numbers used in our daily life. Okay. Next 5 exercise. These are the our daily life sums are given. We will explain next. Okay, thank you.